Did you know financial advisors manage 45% of Australians' wealth? That's $3 trillion and expected to grow to over $20 trillion by 2035. We are the 5th biggest pension market in the world. Since the onset of the pandemic, and with markets so volatile, the demand for financial advice has never been greater. Hi, I'm Angus Woods, the founder of Advisor Ratings. In 2014, we created Australia's first and still only ever ratings and review platform on advisors. Since that time, we have seen massive tailwinds for our platform: a Royal Commission, regulation, and the unknown of who to trust with your money. We solved that with advisorratings.com.au. This unique ecosystem of advisors and client reviews is what drives our business. And in 4 years since monetising our solution, we have already generated $9 million in cumulative revenues.
Our platform now captures thousands of financial advisors and is the #1 place people look for advice when searching for an advisor. In the last 2 years, the growth of people wanting financial advice has exploded. The leads to our platform have more than doubled, and 90% of referrals will look for an advisor online. Along with our integration with Google, we are the #1 site to find an advisor.
We've made it part of our process, so Advisor Ratings has been really good at giving us that independent exposure out in the marketplace.
I've really tried to embrace Advisor Ratings since the get-go. I see it as a really nice platform because they are a third-party and peer-to-peer or client-to-advisor reviews, that has had a really good success in my conversion rate from new client to prospect to client.
On the back of our unique marketplace, we collect, share and analyse streams of data in the biggest sector in Australia: wealth management and superannuation. Data marketplaces like the one we are investing in are one of the next growth themes for investors.
We have multiple data sets and data sources collected over the last decade. Our scalable data solutions help make the magic happen.
And that magic is used by our clients. We've embedded our data into their ecosystem, decision-making and their CRMs. Our clients are some of the most well-known trusted clients in the world.
Advisor Ratings has helped us scale. At a particular time now where we're seeing so much movement in the industry, to be able to have that real-time data at our fingertips to perform our marketing and sales activities has been fantastic. We're really a partnership. This has been an ongoing relationship. I remember when Advisor Ratings was just the TripAdvisors for advisors. Now we're seeing them move into a strong data business, it's quality, and it still is the TripAdvisor, and that's why they have the quality of data. Advisors are vested in it, and we're invested in it as well.
We need to have the end investors clearly in mind when we create product, when we distribute the product. So we will clearly go through a process to ensure that we have all the checks in place to satisfy those regulatory requirements.
And it doesn't stop at ASX or Aberdeen. We have a growing list of happy clients. And alongside our own platform, we are also the quiet data and technology solutions provider, powering some big names in the industry.
So what's next? We are looking to take advantage of the huge tailwinds in a mandated superannuation and wealth market. Demand for data, financial advice, data visualisation and data decision making will be the backbone of the wealth industry. We want to further grow our data science capabilities, our data as a service solution and sales team. The addressable market in Australia alone is huge, and we don't plan to stop here. More than 100 financial advisors have already invested in our success. We'd love to have you on board and invest alongside some of the biggest names in the industry.